So, are you been wondering where a whole lot of big creators get viral videos to post on their YouTube channel, and then within few days they get monetized? Like these videos are not their videos. Like they use some videos you check, you don't see their faces, but they get videos upload on their YouTube channel without getting terminated, without getting copyright strikes, without getting reuse content strikes. They just go about their way uploading these videos on their YouTube channel with no copyright issues, and then in a very short time they get monetized, and this is what they don't even want to let you know. So kindly subscribe to my channel, like and drop a comment on the channel. So let's go. So in this video I'm going to show you different places at which you can get videos, edit them, upload them on YouTube, and then get monetized soon without having issues. When I say issues, I mean like copyright, as I said before, getting copyright strikes, getting reuse content strikes, getting community strikes on YouTube, and then you just go your way. It's very simple. And this is something that a whole lot of creators don't want to expose to the public because they are using this just for themselves. They don't want to expose it to the public so that it won't go viral. But I'm going to tell you for free in this video how to get it and the sites you need to go to get it. So let's get started. So first of all, I've been seeing some videos on YouTube where creators will teach people how to get download videos from TikTok, download videos from Instagram, especially these two places, and then upload them on YouTube. They teach you that you should download from there, upload them on YouTube, and then you can get monetized without getting strike. No, I strongly disagree on this. Like, I strongly disagree on this. You can't get someone's video from TikTok or Facebook, take it to YouTube. This is like a whole enclosed platform in which creators on TikTok can actually go to YouTube too and post their videos. So it's very, very risky. It's something you shouldn't do. There are two types of places at which you can get such videos, free videos that you can download them, edit, re-edit them, and upload on YouTube without getting any issue. So the first site I want to talk about is the public domain. So now the public domain, PD in bracket PD, consists of all the creative work to which no exclusive intellectual property rights apply. These rights may have expired, been fortified expressly waived out, or may be inapplicable because no one holds the exclusive rights. Anyone can legally use or reference those work without permissions. Which means when you download such videos from this site, you can use them to create your own videos. You can add them to your own videos. You can use them to create documentaries, upload them to your YouTube channel. It doesn't mean you probably you'll be using it 100% on your channel because it's a bit stressful. So you can be using it to mix up with your content on YouTube, upload them, and then you get your views because these videos are totally free. They are totally free. You can actually use them to create stories, use them apart from documentary, you can use them to create story to form a particular story. For people that are into faceless channel, these are videos you can use, cut them, use them to form your particular story, use clips from this video and then form a particular story and go viral here on YouTube. So now the second type of site you can use to download video, you can go up, download videos and upload on your YouTube channel is called royalty free. Royalty free now. Okay, let's go through it. Royalty free RF material subject to copyrights or other intellectual property rights may be used without the need to pay royalties or license fee for each use. Pay each copy or volume sold or sometimes period of use or sales. So I'm going to begin with way to find royalty free videos, sites that you can find royalty free videos. So let's go in. The first site we are going to talk about is Pixels. Yeah, I know a whole lot of you have heard about Pixels before. Most of you might not hear about it, but most people that have heard about it have been using Pixels. Even though you've been using Pixels, there is something striking I want to talk about Pixels in this video. So if you've not heard about Pixels before, then this is your first time of hearing about Pixels, let me introduce it to you. When you want to access Pixels, just go to your browsers and type pixels.com. and then open. You see it's spelled in italics. You see the logo italics. You open the site. So for beginners, if you want to get a video about probably anything, okay, let's talk about let me say wild animals. You go to the search bar and type in wild animals, or let me say, the jungle. You can type it anything depending on what you want to talk about. So when you type it, it will bring out a whole lot of videos about that particular topic you inserted. If you want to click on any one and download, when you click on it, what you're going to see first is free to use. Click on it, and then what they are going to show you is photos and videos in this site are free to use. So which means you are free to use it anywhere, upload it anywhere, and then you can monetize your channel. So the second thing is attribution is not required. Giving credit to the photographer or pixels is not necessary, but always appreciated. So which means you can choose not to give any attribution to pixels, you can choose not to give any attribution to the photographer, which is it doesn't bother. You can choose to, you can choose not to, and it doesn't bother your channel. Then the third thing we're going to see is you can modify the photos and videos from pixels, be creative and edit them as you like. That's very simple to understand. Be creative with them, edit them as you like, and upload. You don't have any issue. So the next thing you're going to see is what is not allowed. Okay, this one is very, very important. What is not allowed, which is identifiable people may not appear in a bad light or in a way that is offensive. The second thing is don't sell unaltered copies of a photo or video. Example, as a poster, print, or on a physical product without modifying it first, which means you can never sell the original copy of this footage to anybody. Maybe you are a thumbnail designer and then you go about creating thumbnails for people who get money, they pay you for it. So you can never sell it. Don't sell it except you modify. If you modify it, that's when you can sell it. The third thing is don't imply endorsement of your products by people or branch on the imagery. Don't ever use it for your product or your brand. Third one is don't redistribute or sell the photo and video on other stock photo or wallpaper platform. Yeah, this is very important. If you like picking the pictures from pixels and uploading them on Pinterest, uploading them on other photo app applications, you don't do that, then don't use the photo or video as part of your trademark, design mark, trade name, business name, or service mark. Okay, so now the next platform we're going to talk about is Pixabay. So Pixabay is another free platform which you can download a whole lot of videos from them and use it, edit it, and then use it for your content, monetize them, and you don't get any issue. So let's get in. You see, Pixabay, you have a whole lot of videos on Pixabay here. If you check it out, you have thousands and thousands of videos on Pixabay, which you can download any of them, re-edit it, and upload on your channel without having any issue. So now, if you want to check them out, if you want to maybe do a content about dogs, so you just go to the search bar and type dogs. A whole lot of videos about dogs is going to come out. Yeah, a whole lot of videos about dogs is going to come out. So you just check for the one, just watch them, check for the one that suits you, what you want to talk about, and then download. When you click on the download, this other one is even more nicer because it allows you to choose the pixels in which you want to download, the frame rate in which one you want to download. Is it a smaller size or a bigger size? So it's very nice to use. You download them, re-edit them, and use them on your channel. You can use them as a short. You can use them in your videos as well, and then you grow without having issues on your platform. So you actually see videos that are in landscape mode and videos that are in portrait mode. So videos that are landscape mode is either you can convert them to short, you can crop them to portrait to upload as short, or you use them for your long form videos. So for the videos that are in portrait mode, especially for short, you can use them as your short and then upload. So the question will be, if you get these videos uploaded on your YouTube, can you monetize your channel? Actually, yes, a very big yes. Yeah, a very big yes. You can actually monetize your channel. It's no joke. I'm very serious about this. So note in this video, I talked about two platforms you can use to upload videos on YouTube, and I talked about the public domain and the royalty-free domain. So I'm in this video, I was based on royalty-free domains. So in my next video, I'm going to be talking about the public domain, how to use public domain sites to upload videos on your YouTube without getting strikes, monetize your channel, and then you get going with your way. So if you want me to talk about the public domain, kindly subscribe to my channel. Yeah, like my video, drop a comment, go to the comment box and type the I need the video, and I'll do it right for you in my subsequent videos. So my next video is going to be on public domain sites. Don't miss it. Please turn on the notification button and then stay connected with me. Thanks so much for watching my video and have a nice day. Bye for now.